So, with the EU likely losing Great Britain, maybe it needs a new member? So, what if my home country, Ghana, were to become a member of the European Union? Well, you think that's a crazy idea? Probably, but hear me out. We definitely have something to bring to the table. Ghana has a youthful population where more than half are under the age of 25, while in Europe, just over a quarter are under 25. So that's a big age difference there. So you're welcome, Europe. We could make your aging population much younger. Ghanaians could also introduce you to the art of being more open and relaxed. Geez, enough of the stress. And have you tried Ghanaian chocolate yet? Well, it's about time. We can for sure keep it up with the Belgians. It's even better. But seriously though, what would it mean for Ghana to be a member of the European Union? So let's talk business. Normally, the EU profits more from bilateral trade agreements. That's iconic for the relationship between Africa and Europe. Just like when Western media report on African countries, it's often from a top-down perspective where Europe always fares much better than Africa. Not cool. But Ghana is truly capitalistic. We want a fair chance to compete. Call it the Ghanaian dream. A stronger partnership between Ghana and the EU would be mutually beneficial. That's also what our president echoed in a meeting with the German chancellor. Relations should focus on investment and trade rather than aid. Now, if the EU were to invest massively in Ghana's agriculture, oil, gold, and cocoa industry, our economy would further develop, and that would benefit both sides of the deal, no? Now, let's be real. There are a number of things we could still improve, though. Ghana still has a long way to go to reach greater heights, like taking afforestation more seriously, developing more renewable energy sources, and getting a grip on our littering problem because it is a headache. Look at Rwanda. They've banned all single-use plastic products. Okay, fine. That's not Ghana, but we're not too far away from that. We already have rules and laws to improve these things, but we should enforce those laws and focus on making the systems that we already have work for us. It's only down to changing our own habits so we could lead the way for all EU countries in making the streets of Accra, Rome, and Warsaw trash-free one day. I have a dream. You know, in a sense, the EU is like Ghana, or Ghana like the EU. Both are diverse. Take languages, for example. The EU has over 120 languages and dialects. Ghana alone has more than 250. Yeah, try and beat that. Diverse cultures could make it challenging for everyone to be grouped under one umbrella. But we all have similar struggles that connect our humanity. Plus, there is unity in diversity.